Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to another new video, and in this video I will be talking about how to remove shyness while talking in English. And most of us, when we start learning English and speaking in English, that time we feel shyness while we are going to talk. So that is why I am here to remove your shyness, and I am here to give you tips how to remove shyness. So first of all, what I had to do when I started learning English, as I can speak English fluently, so I think that my tips will work you to be fluent in English. And first of all, what I did when I started learning English, and that time I used to do mirror technique, and most of you have ever know about the mirror technique. And what is this mirror technique? Mirror technique is go to the almari or another showcase and try to speak in front of you and look at you and talk like that, ask yourself question and answer yourself, and like that way every day talk at least 10 to 20 minutes. Yes friends, talk 10 to 20 minutes every day. That will help you to increase and enhance your English speaking. And another things what you can do, that is that do video and in front of camera try to speak. If you can speak in front of camera, you can talk with everybody. Nobody will be harmful to you to be shameful. Okay, you will never be shameful if you can make a video. And I'm not telling you to upload on the Facebook or any social media. You have to just shoot your video, and after that you watch this video and find out the mistakes. And if you make a video, that time if you revise this video, you can find out your mistake too. That time help you to develop your grammatical mistakes too, because you don't know that where you are making mistakes. But if you revise this video and listen to your video and watch again your video, that time you will find the grammatical mistake. So that will help you to increase your English speaking level. And another thing what you can do, that just record your video, and after that revise this video, listen to your speaking, and after that just remind it that you have to find out your mistake where you are making mistake. So 3 tips: that first of all, use mirror technique, second one is make video, and third one is make audio record. That will help you to increase your English speaking level and remove your shyness. So friends, I think that these tips will work you at speaking English. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share this video. And if you have any kinds of questions, that time just put the comment, I will answer about your questions.